I like to determine, can I make a change here that might make a huge shift in the way the business grows? So one of the examples I always like to use for this is we worked with a few construction companies, and what was really interesting about that was they had no idea that the owner was holding them back. They had no idea. Once we fixed that, they grew $3 million almost, it felt like almost instantly, but it was over a course of a year. From there, we had to add some marketing. They needed more leads as they grew. They didn't really spend or understand what their marketing was for. And then, of course, we had to just go step by step. We went right down to their operation, then we went into their automations. And then the last thing that was the most important and changed the way their business will forever grow is we added a few products that they never thought about selling, that are just physical products that go in tandem with what they do as a business. That they could just sell retail. Instead of telling the customer, hey, go pick this up, hey, you can buy it right from us. Now they're making that revenue, and some of these products were perishables. They were expendable, they're reusable, they're gonna be bought again. Perfect time to make another sale, reach back out, be able to re-engage those clients. You're not just gonna sell them one-offs. We're gonna sell them every month, every year, every quarter. Think about these things in your business. If you're struggling to grow, reach out to me. I'm Nick Vanella. I'm here at Man Sales. I am an expert on these topics, how to adjust a business to get it to grow and scale so that you could get to an exit. It's all we're trying to do most of the time is either grow a legacy business that's gonna last, big enough that it makes a difference in your life and your family, or we're growing a business that we can sell, we can get rid of so that we can stop working, we can retire, we can live a different life. If that sounds like you, if you're in that $1 to $10 million stage, you really haven't been able to grow your business beyond that point, look at these 5 things and see where your bottleneck is. Try your best, do everything you can to solve these, your business will grow.